Hi everybody, it's Philly from Create and Curate. Today we're going to be making a reading pillow. So one of our little friends is getting dedicated at church on Sunday, and I thought I would make her a little present. She's only 2 years old and I've already made her a teddy before, so I can't make another one of those, but I did want to make something a little bit special. So I thought I would make a little reading pillow for her, and then I will get a nice little book to pop inside it, and that will be like a nice little present. But of course, I can't make anything without bringing you guys on the journey. So would you like to know how to make a reading pillow? Let's go. Right, so here's what you're going to need. You are going to need a cushion. I am not going to use this one. This is one off the sofa. I'm going to buy her a nice new one, obviously. You need to measure the length and width of your cushion so that you know how much fabric to cut. You're going to need 2 contrasting fabrics. You can go for 3 if you want, but I'm just going for 2. So this is going to be my front and back. And this is going to be the pocket. Ta-da! Okay, let's get measuring and cutting. I forgot because it fell on the floor. You also need a zip. So what I have is, I've got a cushion that's 50 centimetres by 50 centimetres. I have then cut the fabric, so it's 55 centimetres by 55 centimetres, the idea being that I have seam allowance and I also have space to put the zip in. I have 2 pieces of those, one front, one back, and then I've done the pocket as well. So the pocket is 55 centimetres and then it's just over halfway, so it's about 30 centimetres as opposed to 25. The reason being that I need to fold this over to make it neat, so I'm going to need a little bit of extra room to do that as well. And then I've cut a little piece which is about 20 centimetres by 20 centimetres by 7 or 8, and this is going to be the handle that will go up the top like that. Right, to the ironing board. So I folded my I folded my handle and I'm just going to stick it through the machine, and I have also pressed over the top of my pocket so that that'll be nice and pretty too. So I'm going to put the pocket on the front and just tack around the sides. I don't need to do it good side to good side because this is going to be the front piece assembled, and then I'm going to put that piece on top as well. So it will all turn inside out then. So hopefully that should work fine. I'm just going to put the handle on as well whilst I'm here. So I have folded the front in half and I'm going to put the handle probably about 5 centimetres in, and then I will tack, oh hang on, let me open it up, tack it to the front. So I've got one there and one there. And no, wait, I need to tack it to the back of it. So I will tack it to the back or upside down. I'll tack it upside down. Oh, we'll get there in a minute, guys. Ta-da! So I'm going to tack that on too. So, right, front's all done. Ta-da! We now need to put the zip in. So for the zip, I'm going to, so we've got good side, wrong side. So good side to good side. And then using some clips, I'm going to put it in place and I'm going to sew along this outer edge at the bottom. And then I'm going to repeat the process with the other side. Just tape it in. So let me show you quickly what I mean whilst I've got that. So it will then open up and then you repeat the process with your other piece. So that piece then gets sewn up onto that edge there. Okay? So I have attached the back piece onto the front. No, wait, this is the front piece. I've attached the front piece onto the back. The zip is in place, so it's just one, it's joined at the zip. So now what I have to do is go round the rest of the edge, making sure that the handle is tucked in, and then round again. At this point, make sure to open up your zip so that you can turn everything inside out, otherwise it's a real pain to try and get it undone. thing took me about an hour to make up, maybe a bit less. And it's got, I've just popped a little Where's Wally in there, but I'm not sure I'll give that to her. It's got quite a bit of room actually, so I could put a big book in there, like a Bible or something, and that'll be quite sweet. The handle, I love the handle idea, and all for just a couple of bits of fabric. This fabric was from my haul, my big fabric haul that I got off the auction house. So if you haven't already watched that, I'll pop a card up here so you can go and catch up with that. And the zip was from my stash, and the cushion will be like £1 from IKEA, and then I'll pop a little book in there, but we'll make it something nice. So yeah, really nice, affordable gift to be able to give someone. I hope she really, really likes it. For now, I will see you next week with, what's going on next week? I don't know, something amazing, I guess. See you then, bye!